Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we look at how we can run .exe files on a Debian machine. Now .exe files are files that are native to Windows, but using a tool called Wine we should be able to open them on some Linux distros like Debian. So we'll need to install Wine in order for us to open such a file. Now I have a file here called putty.exe. Now if I just try to do putty or putty.exe, I'm unable to open it or run it. So let's go ahead and install Wine, and then we'll go ahead and see if we're able to open the file. Now the first thing we might want to do is update the package repositories. We can say sudo apt update, put in our password here, and that's done. To install the tool called Wine, we'll do sudo apt install Wine, Y for yes. So it's almost done here. Okay, it's done. So the next thing we want to do is install libwine. So we'll do sudo apt install libwine here, and it's already installed, so I'll clear this. Now that we have the Wine tool, let's go ahead and use it to open putty. We'll say Wine putty, and we're able to open putty here. And this is a tool we can use to do remote connections. For example, I have another device. If I put the IP here, let's see if we can use the tool. 172.16.1.105 using port 22 for SSH. Click open, accept. Put in our username on that device and the password. And we're able to remote in, and it's an Ubuntu device. So that's all for this video. That's how you can open .exe files on Debian using a tool called Wine. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.